everyone, for a point P on an ellipse, x squared divided by 25 plus y squared divided by 16 equals 1, with foci f and f prime, we're going to find the maximum value of the length of PF times the length of PF prime. All right, so here's a little picture of it. So let's look and see what we have. Our bigger number is under the x, so you take your a, that's going to be equal to 5. So this is basically negative 5 here, and this point here is 5. And then for our y, that's your smaller number, so square root of 16 is 4. So this point here is 4 on the y-axis. This is negative 4. And for our c, c squared equals a squared minus b squared, which equals 25 minus 16, which equals 9. Therefore, c equals plus or minus 3. So this is going to be negative 3, and this part will be 3. And we'll call this f prime, which is negative 3 comma 0. And this point here is our f 3 comma 0. All right, now that we have all that settled, let's look and see what PF, so we want to know what PF plus PF prime equals. So if we do PF, this length, plus PF prime, by definition of an ellipse, that means that's going to be 2 times A. So this whole length is 2A, and our A is 5, so 2 times 5 equals 10. All right, now we want our PF is going to be positive, that length, and also our PF prime is positive. So these two lengths are positive because they're lengths, and we're going to use the relationship between arithmetic and geometric means. So I'm going to use the fact that we have this to help us solve this. So we have PF plus PF, I always want to write F, okay, PF prime is going to be greater than or equal to, and I'm using this relationship here, so it's going to be 2 times the square root of A times B. And that's going to be 2 times the square root of PF times PF prime. Now I'm using that because that's what we want. So that's why I'm using this formula here. And that also means that PF equals PF prime, and or you could say left-hand side equals the right-hand side. So that's that part. All right. So basically, this equals 10. We already found this is 10. So it's going to be greater than or equal to the square root of PF times the length of PF prime. All right. Now, if we square both sides, we get 100. Oh, where's my 2? There should be a 2 right here. So this is going to be 100 is greater than or equal to 4 times PF times PF prime. All right. Right. Now let's go ahead and divide both sides by 4. So you're going to get, I'll write this part first. PF, because that's what we're looking for, times PF prime. Those two lengths are going to be less than or equal to divide both sides by 4. 100 divided by 4, which equals 25. Therefore, that's your maximum value. Since it's less than its maximum. So your maximum value is 25. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.